Road safety features under the Motor Vehicles Amendment Act, 2019. Introduction. The Motor Vehicles Amendment Act, 2019, introduced several important road safety features to tackle the increasing number of road accidents and deaths in India. The Act strengthens the earlier law by focusing on prevention of accidents, safer driving behavior, better enforcement, and accountability. Road safety is the central objective of this amendment. Stricter penalties to promote safe driving. One of the most important road safety features of the Act is the increase in fines and punishments for traffic violations. Higher penalties for offences like overspeeding, drunk driving, dangerous driving, jumping red lights, and not wearing helmets or seat belts act as a strong deterrent. Fear of heavy fines encourages drivers to follow traffic rules carefully. Protection of Good Samaritans. The Act provides legal protection to Good Samaritans, i.e., persons who help accident victims during emergencies. They cannot be harassed by police or forced to reveal their identity. This provision ensures that accident victims receive timely medical help, which can save lives. Establishment of National Road Safety Board. The Act provides for the establishment of a National Road Safety Board to advise the government on road safety standards, traffic management, vehicle safety, and accident prevention. This ensures expert guidance and scientific planning for improving road safety across the country. Accountability of road contractors and authorities. For the first time, the Act fixes responsibility on road contractors, consultants, and authorities for faulty road design, construction, or poor maintenance that leads to accidents. This provision improves road quality and reduces accidents caused by unsafe roads. Use of technology for enforcement. The Act allows the use of technology such as CCTV cameras, speed detection devices, and electronic challenges for enforcing traffic laws. This ensures strict monitoring, reduces corruption, and leads to better compliance with traffic rules. Regulation of driving licenses and training. To improve road safety, the Act introduces stricter norms for granting driving licenses. Driving schools and training centers are regulated to ensure that drivers are properly trained before being allowed to drive on public roads. Safety of children and minors. The Act introduces strict provisions to prevent juvenile driving. Parents or vehicle owners can be held responsible if minors drive vehicles. Vehicle registration may be cancelled, and penalties imposed. This protects children and other road users. Vehicle fitness and safety standards. The Act strengthens rules relating to vehicle fitness tests and safety standards. Unfit or unsafe vehicles can be removed from roads, reducing accidents caused by mechanical defects or poor maintenance. Protection of vulnerable road users. The amendment focuses on the safety of pedestrians, cyclists, and passengers by enforcing helmet and seat belt rules and promoting disciplined road behavior. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Motor Vehicles Amendment Act, 2019, introduces comprehensive road safety features aimed at preventing accidents, saving lives, and promoting responsible driving. Through stricter penalties, use of technology, protection of Good Samaritans, and accountability of authorities, the Act strengthens road safety in India. It is a welfare-oriented legislation and an important topic for LLB examinations.